Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now go to screen lock, draw your pattern. And as you can see right now, we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's enter pattern, and to create it, simply connect 4 dots. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Again, let's go to screen lock and next time select pin. To create pin, you have to enter 4 to 16 numbers. Next, let's select password that is created with at least 4 characters. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint unlock. Let's add fingerprint. Enter your password. And to add fingerprint, simply tap the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and now use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock. Again, add your password. And scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.